Time for this week's segment of Looney Laws, exploring some of the more ridiculous legislation in our state. This week, the law against the old-fashioned duel.
I challenge you to a duel.
There's a reason men fight.
Too much testosterone.
That's one reason, and that's why in Ohio, participating in or conducting a duel is prohibited.
I challenge you to a duel like a gentleman would.
I think that should be legal.
You know who the winner is on the fight, that's for sure.
It's premeditated, we planned it out, we have a disagreement, and we found out a resolution. I think it should be legal.
I think there's other ways to do dispute resolution than to resort to firearms.
UD law professor Thaddeus Hoffmeister says it's another one of these laws
that was really important maybe 100, 200 years ago. Dueling was a big problem in the United States.
Made popular by the most famous duel of all, former Secretary of Treasury Alexander Hamilton and Vice President Aaron Burr. Burr got the best of that battle. Whether it by pistol or by sword, dueling is illegal.
Today they probably use nuclear weapons, so that probably wouldn't be good.
I'm in a band and we play in bars, and I've seen people challenge each other to those, so that's kind of funny.
Unless you lose the duel.
I accept.
So dueling is illegal in Ohio.
Okay.
Actually, Thaddeus Hoffmeister told me that they took the law off the books, but it is still illegal. It's still on the books and applies to the National Guard, actually.
Okay, so you cannot
duel. I don't want those guys dueling, yes.
Right.
Next week, we'll introduce you to a Looney law regarding the number of women who can live in a house together.
Oh, that's very interesting.
An old law that's still on the books. Yeah.